Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog, Altitude. And this is basically a premiere for DJI's the new version of its Mavic Mini, and it's called the DJI Mini 2. Back to where I was. Okay, like I said, the new drone that I'm getting is the DJI Mini 2. And again, it weighs 249 grams, which is under the FAA's requirement to register your drone if it weighs more than, if it weighs 250 grams up to 55 pounds. And that's another subject. So with that said, this is great because you don't have to deal with the FAA when it comes to this drone, other than if you're going to use it for professional use. Then you have to get your Part 107. Other than that, you don't have to register it. If it's over that, you're going to have to register it. So this one here is at $99. That's famous $99 mini drone. This is nothing like the DJI or the should I say the Mavic Mini is what it originally was. The very first mini drone, and I don't know. I'll find out in a week or two when I get it how close to this it is. I weighed this and it was under 249 ounces. I did a video on this, I think. So here is the Mavic Pro. This is now technically obsolete because the Mavic Pro 2s have now come to light. I don't have the propellers on here. I can't remember how much this weighs, but it's definitely above 250 grams. So here's the example of the two of them. This is your $99 one, and of course this is the $1,200 one at the time. And now if you want to trade it in, you get $300 for it. So the thing is with the newest that is now, you have the Mavic or the DJI Mini 2, then you jump to the Mavic Air 2, and then of course you go to the Mavic 2, and they also still carry the Mavic Mini. The Mini does not have the 4K. It doesn't have the 4 zoom features of it now. It still doesn't have obstacle avoidance. Now your the new Mavic Air, has below, back, and forward obstacle avoidance. And then, but the thing is, you can't hook that up to your goggles and fly it that way. From what I'm seeing when I was doing that, the only way you can do that is if you have the Mavic 2 or the old Mavic Pros. These will hook up because they have the where's the deal with, okay, like I said, the Mavic 2 is the one that you can use your goggles with. The new Mavic Air 2 and the DJI Mini 2 you can't use the goggles with. So you're strictly have to use your controller with your whether you're using your tablet or you're using your phone as your eyes. I'm not sure if the Crystal Sky can hook up to that system. I will be finding that out as soon as I get it as well, because of course I got the Crystal Sky that goes with the Mavic, and then I've got the goggles that go along with the Mavic. So we will see. This is basically the premiere video for that, and we will find out. Compared to the $100 drone, what we got in comparison, but there isn't a comparison. So you know, but for the price of $429 for it, for what is the price on that now? Jeez. Then you jump in there and you compare the Mini 2 vice the Mini. You get in there and start comparing the two there, and it's an awesome drone. It can do just about anything that you want, and just because of just the size, you know, compared to lugging, this is big, but now when you step up to this, this is coming too. I'll be getting this back in the air. I finally got a new camera and gimbal for the old bird, and I can't wait to get this back in the air. I've gotten the again. I got the Crystal Sky monitor, and then I got the goggles. Now, when I first got this, I didn't have the goggles for it, and I'd already crashed it. You're pretty much done. I was sticking a 360 camera on there. That was fun, as you can see in some of the videos, using that. But I did get a brand new 4K camera for that. So 4K here, 4K on that, and then 4K on the new Mavic, the new DJI Mini 2, which has got the 4K. Now the Mavic Mini does not. It does not have 4K. That's running 720. So I'm looking forward to being able to take that around, especially now that I'm starting a security business. That'll be an option in my security security business as to doing, you know, drone surveillance. So I can't wait for that to show up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Definitely share, and catch me on the next Altitude.